It's hard to believe that 2 days ago I was walking around in southern Africa in t-shirts, flip-flops, and a pair of shorts, and I get back here and spend all morning jet lagged and of course shoveling snow. But anyway, we're not here to talk about the weather. We're here to talk about locks. And this is a new ISEO. This is a new model called the Aditus. I think you can read it right there. 70 millimeter, very heavy duty. It's you can see it has an inner brass lock, hardened shackle, and then it has this armored outer part. I bought this when I was down in Namibia from a lock store. Thought we'd give that a shot. Never seen one of these before. Shutter lock, works beautifully. Here is what the pinning looks like. Nothing too spectacular on the pinning. Only 5 pins. But we don't need to have a key. We're going to pick our way into this thing today. At least we're going to try. Get this thing clamped up. Alright, that ought to do it. It is locked. Rotate 90 degrees. It'll open up. And lock it up. There we go. Alright, I'm going to try to use bottom of the keyway. And I'll use a standard hook. Let's see if we can get this thing open today. Just got back home late last night. Airplane broke down. We got stuck in Boston for 7 hours. Alright, I'm trying to feel my way around for a binder, and I'm feeling nothing. I think the tension wrench is dragging on the side of the body there just a bit. Pull it out. Let's try that. That's a little better. Must have been getting hung up on something there. Okay, pin 2 and pin 1. Looking for the next binder. That was 3. And there we go. I did not feel any security pins in there, fellas. So let's try to lock it up, and let's just ruin this video and try something different. I would have expected a lot more from a new model heavily armored lock. Let's try to rake it open. Let's assume there are no security pins. I'm going to try just a standard, this is a Sparrow's triple peak. A little bit of tension, and just see if we can... Christ. I would have expected more from a $45 lock. But there you go, fellas. The brand new ISEO City Aditus. I don't know what Aditus must mean master lock in Afrikaans. I'm really not sure, but definitely doesn't mean quality. Anyway, fellas, thanks for your time. Stay safe, stay legal.